Good morning, students. Today we are going to see fractions, and this is the part 3 of the lesson number 5. My name is Vinita Shah. Here we are going to see what are like fractions and what are unlike fractions. As we have already seen them, we know that if the denominator of two fractions is same, then they are called as like fractions, and if the denominator of two fractions are different, they are called as unlike fractions. So now how to compare like fractions? First we are going to see that, and then we will see how to compare unlike fractions. So here is the theory of your textbook. So here we have a strip which is divided into 5 equal parts. It means that each part is 1/5, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. The color parts are 3, so it will be 3 upon 5, and white part are 2, so therefore it will be 2 upon 5. So 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, this all three are added. Since the denominator is same, the numerator can be easily added. So 3 upon 5 is nothing but 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. In the same way, 2 upon 5 is nothing but 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. Now, if we see the strip, we can easily see that 3 parts are colored and 2 are uncolored. So 3 is bigger than 2, and therefore on comparing 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5, which is greater, that we can easily see. Obviously 3 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 5. Okay, and if the strip is divided into 8 equal parts, okay, and 3 are here, it is divided into 8 equal parts. Okay, 3 parts have one color and 4 parts have the another color. So here are 3 parts and here are the other parts. So on comparing both of them, 3 upon 8 and 4 upon 8, obviously we can say that 3 upon 8 is smaller than 4 upon 8. Means if the denominator are same, we compare only the numerator. 3 is smaller than 4, and therefore we say that 3 upon 8 is smaller than 4 upon 8. In like fractions, the fractions which is having greater numerator is called as a greater fraction. Okay, now we are going to see the comparison with equal numerator. So here we have a strip in which we are going to divide it accordingly, and we'll see if the numerator is same, what happens to the denominator. So when the numerator is same, one decreases as the denominator increases. So that is, I want to say you here that if we have 2 upon 3, 2 upon 4 and 2 upon 5, so 2 upon 3 is bigger than 2 upon 4, and this is greater than 2 upon 5. Okay, so as a denominator increases by 1, the value of the fraction decreases. Okay, so of the two fractions with equal numerator, the fraction with the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. Okay, so 2 upon 5 is the smallest, 2 upon 4 is the second smallest, and 2 upon 3 is the biggest fraction. So on comparing, what do we see? The fraction with the smaller denominator, if the numerators are same, the fraction with the smaller denominator is bigger. Okay, now we'll proceed for comparing unlike fractions. So see, comparing two persons, they look same, then it is easier. But if they are not looking same, how to compare them? Such as if I have 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 7, these are two unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means the denominator are not same. The denominator part, that is 5 and 7, they are not same. So while comparing these fractions, we make the denominator same. Okay, so as we know that 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 7, these two are the fractions. We have the denominator 5 and 7, so 5 into 7 both gets the denominator. If we get the denominator, common denominator, that is 35, then it will be easy to compare both of them. So we will multiply the first fraction 3 upon 5 by 7 in the numerator and the denominator, and therefore we get the answer as 21 upon 35. In the same way, 4 upon 7 is the second fraction. We multiply the numerator and denominator by 5, so we get the answer as 20 upon 35. Now, since the denominators are same for 21 upon 35 and 20 upon 35, when we compare them, 21 is greater than 20, therefore 21 upon 35 is greater than 20 upon 35, or I can say 3 upon 5 is greater than 4 upon 7. So while comparing unlike fraction, we usually do the thing that is we make the denominator equivalent. Okay, so we make the denominator equal so that the comparison is easy. Now we'll see the problem set number 19. Here is a solution for the problem set. We have to compare the fractions. So in the first example, 3 upon 7, 3 upon 7, both the fractions are like fractions and the numerator and denominator both are equal, therefore it is an equal fraction. Second, 3 upon 8 and 2 upon 8. So 3 is greater than 2, denominators both are same, and therefore 3 upon 8 is greater than 2 upon 8. Third, 2 upon 11 and 10 upon 11. So denominator is 11. Now we'll compare 2 and 10. 2 is smaller than 10, therefore 2 upon 11 is smaller than 10 upon 11. Now fourth one, 5 upon 15 and 10 upon 30 we have to compare. So I'll multiply this first fraction in the numerator and denominator by 2. If we multiply, we'll get as 10 upon 30. So second fraction is 10 upon 30 and therefore they both are equal. Now for the next fraction, now see here, as we have seen one property of fractions. If the numerator both are same and if the denominator exceed by 1 or 2, so the smaller denominator, the fraction having smaller denominator is bigger as compared to the denominator having bigger denominator. So here 5 upon 8 is greater than 5 upon 9. In the same way, 4 upon 7 and 4 upon 11, numerator both are same, denominator 7 and 11, 7 is smaller than 11, therefore 4 upon 7 is greater than 4 upon 11. Now next example, 10 upon 11, 10 upon 13, numerators are same, 10 and 10, in the denominator 11 and 13. So 11 is smaller than 13, therefore 10 upon 11 is greater than 10 upon 13. Next we'll see the sum number 9, 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 8. Denominators are not same, even though the numerators are same, therefore they are called as unlike fractions. So 6 into 8 you get as 48. 48 is the common multiple. So here we will multiply the first fraction 5 upon 6 by 8. So therefore 40 upon 48. The second fraction 1 upon 8 by 6. Therefore 6 upon 48. Okay. Therefore we get 40 upon 8 is greater than 6 upon 48 and therefore 5 upon 6 is greater than 1 upon 8. Next example, 5 upon 12, 6 upon 12. 12 occurs in the table of 6, or I can say 12 is the multiple of 6. Therefore, we will multiply the second fraction, that is 1 upon 6 by 2 in the numerator and denominator. Therefore, 1 upon 6 into 2 in the numerator and denominator we get 2 upon 12. So 5 upon 12 is greater than 2 upon 12. We will compare now the numerator 5 and 2. So 5 is greater than 2, therefore 5 upon 12 is greater than 2 upon 12, or I can say 5 upon 12 is greater than 1 upon 6. Next, 7 upon 8 and 14 upon 16. 16 is the multiple of 8. So we will multiply the first fraction by 2 in the numerator and denominator. So 7 into 2, 8 into 2, we get 14 upon 16. So 14 upon 16 and the second fraction is also 14 upon 16. Therefore they both are equal, or I can say 7 upon 8 and 14 upon 8, 14 upon 16 both are equal. Next we will proceed for the sum number 12. 4 upon 9 is equal to 4 upon 9. Next we have 5 upon 18 and 1 upon 9. So 18 is the multiple of 9. So multiply the second fraction by 2. So therefore I get 1 upon 9 into 9 upon 1 into 2 upon 9 into 2, that is 2 upon 8. 5 is greater than 2. Therefore 5 upon 18 is greater than 2 upon 18, or 5 upon 18 is greater than 1 upon 9. 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 7. This is completely unlike fraction. Neither the numerator are same nor the denominator. Therefore 3 into 7 we have 21. 21 is a common multiple. Multiply the first fraction 2 upon 3 into 7 by 7 in the numerator and the denominator. Therefore we get 14 upon 21. The second fraction 4 upon 7. Multiplying this by 3 in the numerator and denominator, we get 12 upon 21. So 14 upon 21 and 12 upon 21, if we compare the numerator, we get 14 is greater than 12, and therefore 2 upon 3 is greater than 4 upon 7. Next, sum number 15, 3 upon 7 and 5 upon 9. Again, these are unlike fraction. 7 and 9, we get the multiple as 63 as a common multiple. So 3 into 9, 7 into 9, that is 27 upon 63. And 5 into 7 and 9 into 7, therefore we get the second fraction as 35 upon 63. So 27 upon 63 and 35 upon 63. If we compare the numerator, 27 is smaller than 35, and therefore 27 upon 63 is smaller than 35 upon 63, or I can say 3 upon 7 is smaller than 5 upon 9. Now the next is 4 upon 11 and 1 upon 9. So 4 into 5, 1 upon 5, 11 into 5 we get as 55. 55 is a common multiple. Multiply the first fraction by 5. Therefore 4 into 5 upon 11 into 5, that is 20 upon 55. Second fraction 1 upon 5 will multiply by 11 in the numerator and denominator. We get this as 11 upon 55. Therefore 20 upon 55 and 11 upon 55. Now here the denominator both are same. Comparing the numerator, 20 and 11, 20 is greater than 11. Therefore we can say that 20 upon 55 is greater than 11 upon 55, or I can say that 4 upon 11 is greater than 1 upon 5. Here this exercise is completed. Thank you. We'll see the next